In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Asana password. Whether you're locked out or just want to change it for security reasons, this process is quite straightforward. Let's dive in and get you back into your account swiftly. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Asana login page. It's always best to start here so you can either access your account directly or find the option to recover your password if needed. Once you're logged into your Asana account, direct your attention to your profile icon. This is typically found somewhere in the top corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select the Settings option. This will lead you to a new page where you'll have various options concerning your account preferences. Now focus on finding the Account tab and click on it. This is a crucial step as this is where you'll have access to all settings related to your account credentials. It's a good place to become familiar with, as it allows you to manage and update your account details whenever necessary. Under these account settings, look for the section labeled Password. This is where you'll initiate the change process. In this section, you should see an option to change your password. Click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your current password. If, by any chance, you've forgotten it, don't worry. Asana usually provides an option on their login page to reset your password via email. This can be a lifesaver for those moments when your password slips your mind. However, for those who do remember their password, go ahead and type it in to proceed. Once you've correctly entered your current password, you will then be asked to enter your new password. Be sure to choose a password that's strong and preferably unique to your Asana account. This might be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's secure. Once you've entered your new password, the system will require you to confirm it by typing it again. This is just to make sure there are no mistakes, so be cautious to ensure both entries match perfectly. Finally, click on Save to commit the changes. And just like that, congratulations are in order. You've successfully reset your Asana password. Remember, keeping your password secure and regularly updated is a good practice for safeguarding your online accounts. It's a simple step that can provide peace of mind, knowing your account is well protected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate through the process with ease. Feel free to check back for more helpful tutorials, and until next time, take care and stay secure.